Warning. The following video contains danger. Stop the video now if you are the faint of heart or if you cannot handle serials. You have been warned. Hello there. I am the man. I am going to tell you about Neil deGrasse Tyson. Tyson was born on the 5th of October, 1958 in Manhattan, New York City, New York. He has not died yet. Tyson received his bachelor's degree in physics from Harvard University, his master's degree in astronomy from the University of Texas at Austin, and his PhD in astrophysics at Columbia University. He was a postdoctoral research associate at Princeton University from 1991 to 1994. In 1994, he joined the Hayden Planetarium as a staff scientist and the Princeton faculty as a visiting research scientist and lecturer. He became the Frederick P. Rose Director of the Hayden Planetarium at the Rose Center for Earth and Space in New York City in 1996 and oversaw its $210 million reconstruction project, which was completed in 2000. The center is part of the American Museum of Natural History, where he founded the Department of Astrophysics in 1997 and has been a research associate in the department since 2003. From 2006 to 2011, he hosted the television show Nova Science Now on PBS. Tyson wrote many books. Said books are going to scroll across the screen very quickly in a few moments. Didn't get that? Here, I will read them off to you. Merlin's Tour of the Universe, 1st edition. Merlin's Tour of the Universe, 2nd edition. Universe Down to Earth. Just visiting this planet. One universe. At home in the cosmos. Cosmic Horizons. Astronomy at the Cutting Edge. City of Stars. A New Yorker's Guide to the Cosmos. My Favorite Universe. Origins. 14 billion years of cosmic evolution. The Sky is Not the Limit. Adventures of an Urban Astrophysicist. Death by Black Hole. And Other Cosmic Quandaries. The Pluto Files. The Rise and Fall of America's Favorite Planet. Space Chronicles. Facing the Ultimate Frontier. Welcome to the Universe. An Astrophysical Tour. Astrophysics for People in a Hurry. Neil Tyson is famous for many reasons. 1. He wrote many books. 2. He was a presidential advisor to George W. Bush, who appointed him to a commission on the future of the aerospace industry. 3. He was the host and executive editor of Cosmos, a space-time odyssey. This show was a reboot of Carl Sagan's show Cosmos. 4. He is literally a meme. 5. He opened science up back to the public and made it seem more interesting. Tyson has made no theories thus far. His main goal is to make science seem appealing to the public, and he has succeeded in doing just that. However, he has won many awards in spite of that. He has won the following medals: Medal of Excellence, NASA Distinguished Public Service Medal, Science Writing Award, Klopstock Memorial Award, Douglas S. Morrow Public Outreach Award, Isaac Asimov Award, Critics' Choice Television Award for Best Reality Show Host, Dunlap Prize, Public Welfare Medal, Cosmos Award, Hubbard Medal, Stephen Hawking Medal for Science Communication, Grammy Award for Best Spoken Word Album nomination. Tyson is not dead just yet, so he has not made a lasting impact on the science community. Okay, my job here is done. Here's a short video about Tyson on why the Earth is not flat.
If you spent any time on Twitter in the past 48 hours, then you heard about our next story. Rapper B.O.B. blowing up Twitter with his theories on the actual shape of the Earth.
Rapper B.O.B., perhaps you know him for hits like Airplanes and Nothing on You. He firmly believes that the Earth is flat. He is on a Twitter mission to prove it, and he says he has photographic evidence and that we've been fooled all this time.
You know, guys, first time I heard Nothing on You, I definitely thought this B.O.B. guy, he is the one to finally take down that asshole Aristotle. Take him down. Seriously, though, these tweets are amazing. The horizon is always eye level. Once you go flat, you never go back. Where is the curve? B.O.B., if you're looking for the curve, you gotta call Sir Mix-a-Lot. That is a man who did not deny science. He did not, am I right? I'm not lying about that. Okay. Anyway, so this thing went viral, and even world-renowned super scientists in front of the night. The show Neil deGrasse Tyson got involved and refuted some of B.O.B.'s retrograde nonsense, which prompted B.O.B. to release a diss track called Flatline. Here's a taste.
Neil Tyson need to loosen up his vest. They probably write that man one hell of a check. Flatline, flatline. You got me once, but that died. Hey.
Oh, this just got real, y'all. Uh-oh. I'm gonna tell you, looks like we've got ourselves a code red science emergency. So I'm gonna have to do something I rarely do. I gotta hit the science panic button.
Science Emergency Defense Program initiated. Science Emergency Defense Program initiated.
Oh my God.
Science Emergency Defense Program initiated.
Oh my God. Neil deGrasse Tyson. Really? It's Neil deGrasse Tyson. Neil deGrasse Tyson, everybody. Yes. Look at that. Thank you. Yeah.
I'm trying to eat my dinner. I got your distress call. Is everything okay?
No, Neil, everything is not okay. This B.O.B. BS about the Earth being flat is getting out of control. Can you please help us?
All right, hold my sandwich.
Oh, sure. Okay.
I'm sorry.
Here, you take that. Here. You want? Oh my God. Okay. Oh.
All right, listen, B.O.B., once and for all. The Earth looks flat because, one, you're not far enough away at your size. Two, your size isn't large enough relative to Earth to notice any curvature at all. It's a fundamental fact of calculus and non-Euclidean geometry. Small sections of large curved surfaces will always look flat to little creatures that crawl upon it. But this whole thing, it's just a symptom of a larger problem. There's a growing anti-intellectual strain in this country. It may be the beginning of the end of our informed democracy. Of course, in a free society, you can and should think whatever you want. And if you want to think the world is flat, go right ahead. But if you think the world is flat and you have influence over others, as would successful rappers or even presidential candidates, then being wrong becomes being harmful to the health, the wealth, and the security of our citizenry. Discovery and exploration got us out of the caves, and each generation benefits from what previous generations have learned. Isaac Newton, my man, said, if I have seen farther than others, it's by standing on the shoulders of giants. I get an amen. Woo! So that's right, B.O.B. When you stand on the shoulders of those who came before, you might just see far enough to realize the Earth isn't flat. And by the way, this is called gravity.